Hello, my name is Jason Lajara, and welcome to the FAL Crypto Minute, your number one source for educational crypto content. Today is Tuesday, August 2nd, 2022, and on today's show, we're going to be going over the top 10 cryptos for the day, as well as Spanish Santander Group to provide crypto trading in Brazil, 190 million stolen from crypto bridge Nomad, and Charles Schwab to launch a crypto ETF company. All that and more on today's episode of the FAL Crypto Minute. But before we get into the news stories, let's go over the top 10 cryptos for the day. At number 1, we have Bitcoin at $22,937, down 0.24%. At number 2, we have Ethereum at $1,628, down 0.06%. At number 3, we have Tether. At number 4, we have USDC. At number 5, we have BNB at $285, up 2.7%. At number 6, we have XRP at 37 cents, down 0.63%. At number 7, we have Binance USD. At number 8 is Cardano at 49 cents, down 1.79%. At number 9 is Solana at $41, down 0.24%. And at number 10, we have Dogecoin at 67 cents, down 1.10%. And that was your top 10 cryptos for the day. And moving into our first story, $190 million has been stolen from the crypto bridge Nomad. The biggest hack since Axie Infinity's Ronin bridge sidechain was compromised back in March has just plagued the Nomad token bridge, which allowed malicious actors to steal around $190 million. We are aware of the incident involving the Nomad token bridge. We are currently investigating and will provide updates when we have them, Nomad tweeted Monday afternoon. The Nomad bridge is a protocol that gives users the ability to move digital assets between blockchains, such as Milko Meta C1, Avalanche, Ethereum, and Moonbeam. Currently, the main point of attack has not been found, but some savvy users on Twitter have been identifying a configuration error in a smart contract that Nomad utilizes to process messages as the culprit, leading to millions being drained from Nomad's liquidity pool. It all started when @OfficerCIA shared the @Spreakaways tweet in the Ethereum security Telegram channel. Sam Sun, a researcher at crypto investment firm Periodium, tweeted, "Although I had no idea what was going on at the time, just the sheer volume of assets leaving the bridge was clearly a bad sign." It turns out that during a routine upgrade, Sun continued, the Nomad team initialized the trusted root to be 0x00. To be clear, using zero values as initialization values is a common practice. Unfortunately, in this case, it had a tiny side effect of auto-proving every message. Sun compared what followed to a frenzied free-for-all, due to the fact that one would have to possess little technical knowledge to take part in this attack. "You didn't need to know about Solidity or Merkle trees or anything like that," Sun wrote. "All you had to do was find a transaction that worked, find/replace the other person's address with yours, and then rebroadcast it." Correspondingly, the blockchain security firm, Certic, reported that all hackers had to do was copy and paste transactions to take part in the exploit. The ease of access to such a bug led to the entire bridge being bled of almost all its funds. Nomad's bridge got owned in a similar manner to Qubit's Q-bridge, tweeted a 16Z security engineer Matt Gleason. An insecure configuration of the bridge calls a specific path to allow any transaction sent. The error is inside the replica's process function. The system will accept any message that it has never seen before and process it as if it were genuine, meaning that all you need to do is ask for the bridge's money and you'll get it, he added. With Axie losing $622 million earlier this year through its own exploit, and now Nomad, this is looking to be the worst year on record for stolen crypto, with over $1 billion being stolen since 2021. Moving into our next story, Charles Schwab is looking to launch a crypto company ETF. Another big name starting to take a look at cryptocurrencies and blockchain with the asset management arm is Charles Schwab, who is set to launch a new crypto-themed exchange-traded fund this week. According to a press release, Schwab Asset Management will be launching the Schwab Crypto Thematic ETF as soon as August 4th. The firm says that the new fund is designed to track Schwab Asset Management proprietary index called the Schwab Crypto Thematic Index, which aims to provide investors with exposure to companies that may benefit from the development or utilization of cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. David Botset, Managing Director, Head of Equity, Production Management, and Innovation at Schwab Asset Management, says, "For investors who are interested in cryptocurrency exposures, there is a whole ecosystem to consider as more companies seek to derive revenue from crypto directly and indirectly. The Schwab Crypto Thematic ETF seeks to provide access to the growing global crypto ecosystem, along with benefits of transparency and low cost that investors and advisors expect from Schwab's ETFs. The statement highlights that the fund will not directly invest in or track crypto assets. As of June 30th, 2022, Schwab Asset Management managed approximately $575.9 billion on a discretionary basis and $34.4 billion on a non-discretionary basis. Earlier this year, $4.2 trillion financial giant Fidelity Investments also released its own crypto-themed funds, the Fidelity Crypto Industry and Digital Payments ETF and the Fidelity Metaverse ETF. This exposure will ensure the upwards adoption of different companies and blockchains within the regular financial markets as well. And moving into our last story, we got a little longer episode today, but I thought this one was interesting. Spanish Santander Group is providing crypto trading in Brazil. According to the local media publication Folha de S. Paulo, the Brazilian subsidiary of the Spanish Santander Group is looking into a program that would allow its clients to trade crypto. Santander Brazil CEO Mario Leo reportedly said that the bank plans to give more information on these rumors within the next couple of months, maybe even during its following quarterly report. We recognize that it is a market that is here to stay and is not necessarily a reaction to competitors positioning themselves. It is simply a vision that our clients has demanded for this type of asset, so we have to find the most correct and educational way to do it, said Leo. The Brazilian subsidiary is also reportedly researching the use of blockchain technology to tokenize certain digital assets, such as debt securities or bonds, with the hopes to make these assets more widely available to the public. Brazil's largest bank, Nubank, took a similar approach this past May, as it began offering Bitcoin and Ethereum trading to its customers. Nubank revealed earlier this week that the crypto trading program had already garnered over 1 million users. Nubank is also showing support for cryptocurrency by converting 1% of its cash on its balance sheet to Bitcoin. Another major player in Brazil's financial sector, Itaú, also announced its own asset tokenization platform this month named Itaú Digital Assets. This is not Santander's first foray into blockchain and crypto technology, as the banking giant had already partnered with Ripple to launch a digital banking app for cross-border payments back in 2018. All right, and that was your FAL Crypto Minute for the day. Thank you for being here, and thank you for tuning in. You can follow me on Twitter over at crypto_Lajara. That's crypto_Lajara. You can follow the official FAL Crypto Consultants Twitter over at CryptoFAL. That's CryptoFAL. FAL is a one-stop shop for all your cryptocurrency needs, from answering questions for new people to bigger institutional clients. We're there for you. Regardless if you're a small business or bank, we'll make sure to take a tailored approach to all your needs. Our team houses specialists in all areas of cryptocurrency, from mining, trading, creating NFTs, DAOs, staking, and lending questions to general market research. Go to cryptofal.com to learn more. Once again, thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.